Kick it open?
If you can.
Put the gun down!
Be advised, we have an open line. They're speaking Spanish, asking if the grandmother has more money.
10-4, I'm rolling up 97.
An armed intruder has entered a home and taken a family hostage with the intention of robbing them. Florida deputies make entry and confront the criminal in order to protect the lives inside.
General, I got one in the house. $54, I'm outside still. Do I kick it open? Kick it open?
If you can.
Hey, I'm gonna go around back. Three or 11, I'm around back. I don't see anything. Stand by. I see one towards the front door. Two, looks like a male wearing a gray hoodie, black sleeves. Hood is up, so I can't get a facial description. Hey, Smith, the back door's open. Three or 11, make an entry. Ready? Okay. Right.
I got food, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Y'all won't never see from me again, bro. Real shit.
Sheriff's officer, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Put the gun down! On the ground! Now! On the ground! Now!
Get down on the ground now.
311, we got one on the ground.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back!
You got me?
Yeah.
Yep, I got you. Keep your hands up. Who else is in the house? Hands up.
No, there's another one in there. There's those two.
Tell him to put his hands up. Manos! Manos!
Hey, relax. Come.
Step out. We got 3 coming out. 4.
Alright, come on out. Come on outside. Come on.
Carly, you want to stay with him?
I'm gonna stay
Stay
with
over
him.
here.
Okay.
You're good. Is there anybody else inside the house? Okay. Yeah, just come over here in the grass.
I'm gonna wait.
Is anybody else?
Brighton, go with him. Clear the rest of the house. Go.
Ready? I'm going to make it.
I'll go first.
Clear. Room clear.
Bathroom clear.
You check band there. Clear. Make entry in there.
This is clear.
Okay.
Clear. House is clear.
You got gloves? You got gloves?
No, I got gloves.
One suspect.
3 North 11, you can clear signal 100.
Alright.
Let me go. Bryken's grabbing gloves for that.
Yeah.
I'll stay in here with
Yeah, please.